Alright guys, today I'm going to do a mixture of colors, and I have chosen Honey Rose, Kiss Me Katie, and Plum. So stick around to see how this turns out. Remember, after all 3 layers of your LipSense is on and dry, that's when you're going to go in with our moisturizing glossy gloss. One of the great things about LipSense is that with 3 colors, you can make 27 different shades of lipstick. So depending on what you're wearing or where you're going, you can change up your color to fit your personality. So what I ended up doing was I lined with Honey Rose, then I did a layer of Plum, then I did a layer of Honey Rose, and I finished it off with a layer of Kiss Me Katie and our glossy gloss. Didn't come off. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out our video today on mixing 3 layers of LipSense to get this awesome color. Make sure you check out other videos and subscribe to our channel to see more.